Hi everyone, it's Luke here and welcome back to the final day of the 2018 Goodwood Festival of Speed. Now I was just making my commute from the campsite I'm staying in to the show and stumbled across this lovely Giallo Modena 430 Scuderia. There's also some other pretty cool cars in this car park which you've probably seen already. But yeah, like I said, it's the last day here at the Festival of Speed, so let's head on into the show and get stuck in. So the first stop today is at the McLaren house. I haven't actually been here yet for some strange reason, but we've got the 600 LT here. This is one of two cars here. The other one is a chicane grey car, which is in the Supercar Paddock. This one's finished in McLaren orange, I think, and I think it looks stunning. For me, I definitely think the brighter colours suit the 600 LT, purely because you get all those carbon accents standing out even more. Because if you watched my previous videos where I touched upon the chicane grey car that's here, it is absolutely covered in carbon. For example, here we've got full rear diffuser, the wing, these like rear canard things. We've got this really aggressive side skirts here, and honestly the list goes on. It also gives me a chance to have a proper look at the rear end, because when it was in the Supercar Paddock I really couldn't get round to it properly. Obviously on the standard 570S the exhausts are kind of on the rear here, but we have these central mounted dual exhausts there which apparently spit quite a few flames. Not that I've really caught it on camera, but hopefully I do. But yeah, the back end of this thing looks so menacing. This rear diffuser is absolutely savage. So look what we have over here, the Senna GTR concept. Now, this car was revealed at this year's Geneva Motor Show, where I actually saw this car for the first time, and I have to admit I kind of forgot just how ridiculous this thing looks. Just check out that front splitter and just how low it is. Absolutely insane. If I pop round to the back again, actually, I can show you the equally as ridiculous rear diffuser. It's actually crazy how much it sticks out from the actual car. What I find quite weird though is just how they've kind of left the exhaust exit from the standard Senna there. I would have personally just kind of, you know, covered it up, because this thing actually has side exit exhausts, yes. You can see on the Senna GTR as well, they've taken out the door windows, which is kind of an interesting touch actually, but just everything about this car is absolutely savage. Also interesting how they've left the spoiler the same as the road car, which kind of shows just how crazy the road car spoiler really is. What do we all think of this? I've never in my life seen a wrap like this before. A bit trippy actually. It's like that level on Mario Kart. Blue Cephas Performante. Oh yes, this is the spec that I go for. Silver calipers as well. That is a dream. Loving the spec on this Aventador S. Looks so clean with the silver wheels. Lovely Verde Mantis. We've got the painted vents as well. Awesome, awesome spec. unfortunately, it has become that time where it's the final time where the supercars are heading up the hill climb. I'm here just at the exit of the paddock. Hopefully, I'll catch a few burnouts and then I'm going to run over to the hill climb and see if I can catch them heading up the hill for the final time this year. This just sums up the last hour and a half of my life. Just burnouts, revs and accelerations. It has been absolutely insane, but unfortunately that is all the supercar runs of this year's Goodwood Festival of Speed. But my oh my, it has been insane. So fast forward a few hours, the show has officially now closed, which means that the Supercar Paddock is virtually empty and I have all of these cars to myself. I believe the majority of the cars are actually due to be leaving the show soon, which is why I'm staying so stupidly late. But it actually gives me quite a good chance to just wander around all the cars, now that there really isn't many people around, and kind of just admire them, because it's just been so non-stop this weekend. There's always been something going on, I've always been filming. But yeah, we'll have one final look at these and hopefully capture some of them leaving. Got a little convoy here of two Ford GTs. No idea where this one's been all weekend because I haven't seen it until now. And that's certainly not a sight you see every day. Awesome. Anyway, I think I'm going to call it a day here because it's getting late. I still need to go home and edit this video for you guys to see, hopefully tomorrow. It's been an insane weekend here at Goodwood. I hope you guys have enjoyed all the content from this year's show. It really has been tough to maintain the daily videos throughout this mental weekend, but there is still a few videos still to come, so make sure you keep your eyes peeled for that. Anyway, like I said, that is it for me. I hope you guys did enjoy the video. If you did, please make sure you leave a like and make sure you subscribe for all the adventures still to come.